Go for it.
Water filtering system. On fresh slab, we will be putting an enclosure on here, putting a tankless hot water heater in this location here. Water softening system. Pre-filter. This valve here is the water coming in, feeding this system that goes back and feeds the house. There's also a valve in front of the house. This valve is in the off position. We can turn this valve on, it goes through this pre-filter, into this carbon filter, and then to the secondary filter. And if we here, it goes and feeds the house. It even feeds the back structure. These two valves, when they're facing each other, is in a bypass. It's not going through the filter. It's just going across, and in there. But when you turn these valves, you turn that one, this soaks for 48 hours. We turn this valve this way, this one this way, and now the water goes through here.
So do every time I change the filter, I have to wait 48 hours?
No, sir. No, sir. We're going to leave this in bypass. Process for changing the filter. I got this valve in the off position. What you'll do is you'll come over here and you'll turn this valve off. This red button here is to relieve pressure. See a little bit of water bleeds out of there? Okay, yep. You relieve the pressure. It's going to be more pressure later. You turn this wrench, unscrew this thing. It's going to be full of water, so be prepared to be a little bit wet. Dump it out. Dump your old filter out. Throw it away. Set another one. Make sure it's on the pin. And screw it right back up on there. Only hand tight. That'll do it. Then you put your wrench back up on here, just pull it up a little tight, and you ain't got to worry about losing it or hanging it nowhere. At this point, you're ready to turn the water back on. Turn it on slow, like just a little bit. Let it refill, repressurize. After you hear the noise slow down, we can go ahead and turn it on open a little bit more. And then a little bit more. And now it's pretty much quiet. Turn it on. You're done.
Now why am I waiting 48 hours?
Manufacturer's recommendation that you need to soak the carbon fibers in here.
Before?
It's a one-time only deal. That you soak it, it's a pre-soak when you're first installing at this particular time. And for either reason, if for some reason you're losing water pressure, you can come by here and put it in a bypass mode when they're both facing each other. And see if that increases your pressure. If that is, that means we need to do a back flush on these. So you put it in a bypass, we turn around and we back flush these, go to the manual, we'll read that and let you know how to do all that. But then when you're ready to go, you just turn this back over here like this, and now it's going through the filter. When the valves are in line with the pipe, water's on. When it crosses the pipe, water's off. But we're going to leave these filters, let this soak for 48 hours, and it's ready to go.
Thank you, Fitz.